Ever wondered why dumpster rental services are a critical part of any project involving substantial waste? Whether it's a home renovation, construction project, or simply a big cleanup, a reliable dumpster rental service can make the process smoother and more efficient. In this guide, we'll walk through the steps of renting a dumpster in Columbia, South Carolina, and share some key considerations to keep in mind. Step 1. Identify your needs. The type and size of the dumpster you'll need depends on the nature of your project. For instance, a home renovation might necessitate a smaller dumpster than a commercial construction project. Step 2. Research local providers. Not all dumpster rental services are created equal. Look for a provider with a solid reputation, good customer service, and competitive pricing. Reviews and testimonials can provide valuable insights. Step 3. Get a quote. Once you've narrowed down your choices, reach out for a quote. The price will depend on the size of the dumpster, the duration of the rental, and any additional services you might need, like expedited pickup or disposal. Step 4. Schedule your rental. Once you've agreed on a price, it's time to schedule your rental. Be sure to allow plenty of time for delivery and pickup. Step 5. Prepare for delivery. Clear a space for the dumpster and make sure there's ample access for the delivery truck. Step 6. Use the dumpster. Remember to follow the provider's guidelines for what can and can't be disposed of in the dumpster. Step 7. Schedule the pickup. Once your project is complete or the dumpster is full, schedule your pickup. Most providers will handle the disposal, but be sure to ask about any additional fees. Now, let's summarize the key points about dumpster rental services. Firstly, identifying your needs is crucial. The size and type of dumpster you need will depend on your project. Secondly, research is key. Look for a reputable provider with competitive pricing and good customer service. Thirdly, get a quote before you commit. The price will depend on several factors, including the size of the dumpster and the duration of the rental. Fourthly, scheduling your rental is an important step. Allow plenty of time for delivery and pickup. Fifthly, preparation is important. Clear a space for the dumpster and ensure there's adequate access for the delivery truck. Lastly, using the dumpster correctly and scheduling the pickup are the final steps. Remember to follow the provider's guidelines and ask about any additional fees for disposal. There you have it, a comprehensive guide to dumpster rental services in Columbia, South Carolina. Whether you're a homeowner tackling a renovation or a contractor managing a construction site, having a reliable dumpster rental service can streamline your waste management and make your project run more smoothly. And speaking of reliable dumpster rental services, if you're in Columbia, South Carolina, let's introduce you to the leaders in this field, New South Waste. They've been providing top-notch services to both homeowners and contractors, making waste management a breeze. For more information, you can visit their website at newsouthwaste.com. newsouthwaste.com, your waste management solution is just a click away.